Hello everyone. Everywhere in the headline, it is like AI is the future, AI is the multi-billion dollar house of cards. But are we witnessing the greatest economic game changer or it is the greatest ever financial illusion? I want your honest opinion in the comments, but before that, let's look at the raw data. So, on one hand, the momentum is undeniably real. Global spending in AI is expected to touch $2.5 trillion by 2026, which is roughly 44% higher than the previous year. If we talk about investment in AI infrastructure and data centers itself, that is $1.3 billion. The corporations expect for every $1 spent on Gen AI, they are seeing an average return of $3.7. These are not just promises, these are real statements, real facts, and an industrial rebuild. But look under the hood and the doubt begins. So, Nvidia recently sold $5.4 billion chips to a shell company, Valor. Now, what is the catch here? Nvidia itself injected $1.9 trillion as an investment in Valor, so which in turn is purchasing chips from Nvidia. Second catch, CoreWeave, the cloud service provider, has purchased unreleased Nvidia chips from the market. Then it has mortgaged those unreleased chips in the Wall Street and taken a $21 billion debt. And now what it is doing of that $21 billion debt? It is again purchasing Nvidia chip. So is it a financial loop or a real transactions? Let me know. Now the things get wilder as the SpaceX IPO is coming and SpaceX is demanding a $1.75 trillion of valuation. But what is the catch? SpaceX, which everyone thinks or everyone knows as a space research organization, deep diving into the space, making something out of it, and already owning a AI company, Grok AI. But what it is doing with $15 billion investment in Anthropic? As we know, Anthropic is also coming with its IPO. So is it like a circular loop or is it a real transaction? So when the tech giants pass the same dollar back and forth, it looks like an unprecedented revenue. But if the enterprises do not see the real ROI coming out of it soon, the whole system may collapse. What do you think? Is it a real global infrastructure game changer? Or it is just a ticking financial bomb which may explode anytime? For such deep insights, do like, share, and subscribe.